If you think taking a test series and preparing by yourself alone can help you clear prelims, sorry to say this, you're mistaken. For each one of you, prelims can offer different hurdles. For many of you, CSAT itself may be a very big hurdle. For some of you, comprehending a question, understanding the twist and turn of it might be a trouble. For some of you, building a routine for the next 4 months may be a big issue. For all of you who are facing hurdles or troubles at multiple viewpoints, India4IAS has come up with specific solutions. We want to ensure this year matters the most. For every aspect, we have a dedicated solution. Prelims Doctor. This is a crash course integrated with test series. Here, we ensure there is analysis, understanding of every question, previous year question papers torn apart so that you get a larger idea that integrated with the test series. So, what you learn in the crash course, test through the test series. Thus, a holistic understanding. Now, for many of you who look at dedicated mentorship, that one-to-one support, pre-test, what to study, what to focus upon. After the test, where did you go right? What could be better? How do you reduce your mistakes? Think before you ink. This is a dedicated mentorship integrated test series. Now, for many of you who are looking at a routine to ensure that 1 hour or 2 hour gets into a thorough clarity, Prelims Habit. Every day, 50 questions, 2,500 questions of comprehensive practice over 50 days. For most of you who think CSAT Chakravyuha, the CSAT idea can become a very big hurdle. CSAT Chakravyuha is a crash course. Here, with clear exam orientation, we want to support on every aspect of CSAT. Now, for many of you who think current affairs can be a major trouble, last 15 to 18 months of current affairs, completely covered from exam orientation. This has helped everybody over the past years. Recap is a program which is current affairs understanding with test series again. RCB, Rapid Current Affairs Booster. This has mapping classes also integrated. A very quick revision of current affairs with mapping integrated. All these initiatives are tied along. We also want to introduce specific initiatives, but that will be a surprise. So, in the upcoming months, to ensure your prelims this year meets with that success that you are dreaming for, your dream of mains, your dream of interview, your ultimate dream of serving the country at a larger capacity has to become a reality. Make this year count. Come, join along. At India4IAS, we are ready for you.